Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger low volume. First, what you have to do is open your Play Store and search for Messenger, and you need to update the Messenger, which you can see my Messenger is already up to date. But if yours not, then there will be an option showing you update, and you simply need to tap on that option and the Messenger will simply update. Or the next step you can do is go back and go to the settings and go to the app management and go to the app settings and look for the messenger here and tap the messenger app and go to the storage and cache and clear the cache, and this will help you to fix the messenger low volume in your mobile device. Or if it still does not work, then you can consider restarting your mobile device, and then after the restart is done you can open your messenger, and that's how you can fix it. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.